Aquaba, and welcome to Expat Life Ghana. I'm Tony, this is my wife Aya. We're documenting our move from Texas to Ghana as we go beyond the return.
And in this video, we're out shopping.
So let's get this video started before she spends all the money.
Me?
We got something for y'all. Filling up these containers unnecessarily. Like, oh, I can't be there without this. I can't go without that. I got some news for you.
Just shop here. Just shop here.
Yes, if you're still shipping all your stuff over here, you must have some extra money to burn. So send some to me, because I'm broke.
Okay. Tony just outfitted the entire lodge and made it look, well, it's amazing.
Yeah. And everything inside came from right here in Ghana.
Everything?
Everything.
Some people won't believe you that you didn't ship anything from outside of the country. Nothing from the States.
Why not? Why?
Because, it's Africa.
Oh yeah, that's right. And Africa only got like nothing, right? Wrong.
I keep telling people that Ghana has everything. That's why people keep coming here.
Yes. So we are going to tell you about where you can find everything you need to deck out your place here in Ghana stylishly.
All right, I'm ready.
All righty, here we go.
This and these.
So comfortable. Orca's my favorite place to shop.
Why?
Because when I go there, I step out of the car and onto one of their little
Yellow.
I don't know what they call tuck things. I don't know what they call them here. But they pick you up at your car. They drive you around to the front of the store and let you out. When you're done shopping, guess what? All your bags, they come take them, put them on a little thing, and drive you and all your bags to your car. And you're on your way.
You're so spoiled. You're so spoiled. Yellow.
going
The
back.
boys are right with you, though. They
Yes.
love it, too. And they also love that it has an escalator.
Yes, it's the little things.
Isn't it, though?
Mm-hmm.
It actually is kind of the little things.
Yes.
Right? You can go to a lot of places to find bigger furniture pieces, although we really have found that that's really a great spot to buy. But if you decide to go with like a handcrafted woodworker or a carpenter on the roadside, that's cool. But the little things that make up a house, like the little odds and ends, they're great to pick up at Orca.
And we actually did get a lot of larger pieces at Orca. They have a huge showroom and lots of variety.
Yeah, and they just expanded the place. So they're adding a huge, like a whole new inventory, a whole new section.
And
the best part.
The best part.
Delivery.
It's free.
It's free delivery. Even though they're in, Greater Accra and we're in Tama.
And they came, delivered the stuff, set it up for us.
Oh,
nice guys.
That was nice.
That was nice, not having to worry about those bigger items, having to figure out how to get in and out of the house. I'm only one guy.
Absolutely. They did a good job.
Another place with lots to choose from is Malcolm.
Actually, it's important to know that they have a regular Malcolm, and then they also have a Malcolm home store. Because when we first got here, people told us to go to Malcolm, and we went, and there wasn't a ton of variety because it was one of the regular stores.
Right.
So the home store.
Now they opened the home store, and it's my friend.
They have one in Tema now, the home store in Tema.
It's my friend.
Yes. No more shopping there. So we found
this sofa, that table,
and this.
The desk, the bench, and the mirror.
And this.
Gotta love it.
And this. And this.
And this. Nice chair. This chair and this desk. No. And this.
And non-brick mattresses.
Malcolm has a lot of stuff, and it comes in at a competitive price, even with the appliances and electronics.
I know, I feel like that was kind of surprising. People are surprised that the electronic prices are good there,
right.
but they really are. And they have a decent selection with extra stock at the home stores. So it's a good place to get started. It's a good place to get a sense of what the prices are and what's available. And then you can kind of base your search after you've started there. I think that's a good start.
They don't deliver. Like at Orca, you have to arrange for a private delivery. And they have folks they can call if you ask, and they can get you situated.
Yeah, usually it's like, let me call a friend of a friend to come over with
one of those.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Leo. Subscribe right now.
Oh, Palace Supercenter. They have a large selection at their bigger anchor stores, and the prices, well, sometimes the prices are great and sometimes they're not. They're kind of hit or miss.
Yeah, I think we got a great sale on televisions at Palace. I think they had some closeout on Samsung TVs.
You're right, we
at
did.
a great deal. So it was just, hey, we were in the right place, right time, and boom, caught that sale.
They do have a lot of variety of things. It's just that hit or miss price that kind of, it's just a little bit, you never know. But if you do need things, it's a great place to stop to try to pick up.
And I found that they have a lot of things that if you didn't find it at Orca and Malcolm didn't have it,
Palace is your spot.
Palace would be a great place to find it.
So it's like your cleanup spot to go to?
Yes,
I got it. Odds and ends, odds and ends. Then, of course, the next best place to buy is on the streets. You gotta love that local Ghanaian stuff.
Oh, we found this.
And this.
And these guys.
And this.
And this.
And these.
7 bed frames and nightstands. The artist that did most of the wall installations is amazing. His stuff calls to you. The pieces are for sale too, so when people come, they seem to find one that speaks to them and they can take it home.
That happened to the last people that stayed here.
A couple last people that stayed here.
Yeah, we're going to take this one off the wall. That's cool, that's cool. It's a great way to sit with some pieces before you buy. You know, not like when you're in the street and you feel like you kind of have to hurry a little bit. Like, ugh.
Yeah. I don't feel like I have to hurry. I take my time.
Of course you do. Of course you do. But I do like that you support local artists and craftsmen. So I think that's important.
The wood carvers and carpenters, they have mad skills. What they build, the hacksaw and sheer determination is crazy.
No joke. That is so true. And the stuff is solid. I think it's better than like the particle board stuff from some of the bigger places.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then there's the last place.
I do not like them all.
I know you don't. We're talking about China Mall.
I don't go there anymore.
I still go there.
You should stop.
Why? What is it about them?
I don't like the way they treat the workers there. I don't like the level of customer service I get. I don't like the lack of management skills at China Mall.
Okay. So up to you if you want to get things from China Mall, but we did get some fake plants from there. They have a decent selection of that kind of thing.
But stay away from electronics and really look over the furniture. If it makes IKEA look like a luxury brand, you may want to skip it.
Join the conversation. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think.
I guess the takeaway is stop stuffing the shipping container full of stuff. You can get things here.
Absolutely. But if you're into specialty things like tools and materials for your business, hobbies, or crafts, you may want to bring those things.
Yeah, just know that the electrical outlets are different and you may end up burning out your stuff a lot faster because of the 220/110 adapters.
True, true. But you may not find some of those items here. So it's a chance you have to take.
Yeah, I was in the Facebook group and someone said they packed their Vitamix and it burnt out on the first blend.
Yeah, I know a couple people that's happened to.
Yeah, those don't like to step with the whole electricity thing, which is another reason not to pack the shipping container full.
Come, do things the Ghana way, and rest assured you can find most of the essential things right here.
So there you have it. Shop here in Ghana.
If after you watch this video, you still have giant full containers coming here, you're just wasting money because those port fees just went up again.
They sure did. Oh. If you're planning on your return, join the closed Facebook group. People have been talking about getting their stuff out of the port, and it'll give you an opportunity to connect with people just like you.
And if you're planning your first trip to Ghana, check out what we have to offer on our website at expatlifeghana.com, including full-service tours, airport pickups and drop-offs, and day trips to see the best of Ghana.
Plus, we now offer accommodations at our Airbnb. Check out the rooms and full-service options online at expatlifeghana.com.
Hit that like button. And if you're still here with us, subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join us for our monthly live videos here on YouTube the last Friday of every month.
And with that, Charlie out for now.
You really are visceral about the China Mall thing.
I don't.
I know. I went the other day.
So disrespectful.
The stuff there is like a really big Dollar Tree. It's like a gigantic Dollar Tree, except everything's more than $1. Is that fair?
Yeah.
That's fair. All right. Bye.
Hey y'all. Hey Quaba.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all, Aquaba.
Give you $1 to do it that way, not laugh.
Oh, I can do it. A whole $1. That's 10 CDs right now.
Here you go, ready?
Aquaba.
Oh, did you hear it again?
I heard it.
Oh,
Like,
sorry.
hold on.
It's like a bear. It's like, my body is conditioned for 12 o'clock now. It's like, at 12 o'clock, we gotta eat. All right, sorry. Okay, go ahead.
I had that make me. So I'm good.
Cheater.
I figure out just being here, nothing to do. I'm being for a couple hours, my stomach would sound like yours.
Okay, let's go.
Aquaba, welcome to Expat Life Ghana. I'm Tony. This is my wife, Aya. What the heck?
My stomach just keeps growling. You didn't hear it? Okay, sorry.
Well, look at my shirt over there on the reflection. Like it's like lighting up or something.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sitting here smiling like a boob waiting for you.